What's up, crafters? Welcome back to another episode of My Crafty Garage with me, Tanya. In this episode, we're going to be turning this flower pot plus plate plus dollhouse table plus everything else you see here into a gorgeous decorative kitchen scale. So stick around and see how we did this. All right, crafters, let's get started. You're going to start off by gluing your dollhouse table with some E6000 glue and your hot glue gun to the bottom of your flower pot, and make sure that it's centered so when you go to put on your plate, which will sit on the top of the table, again, you will be gluing that down with some E6000 glue and your hot glue gun, and it should sit securely. E6000 glue takes it longer to dry. This is why I'm using also the hot glue gun, as it's quicker and it'll give you more stability while you work on your project. Okay guys, your next step, you want to take a plastic dessert plate and you're going to stick it to what would be the front of your kitchen scale. Make sure you're using some E6000 glue and the glue gun just to give it more stability. Again, this project takes a little longer because there are a little bit more steps than usual to get through, but I assure you, you will have so much fun making this. Okay guys, next it's painting time. I'm using spray paint. I'm using an aqua blue color. It's very springy, it's beautiful, I love it. Remember when you are spray painting to keep it in your garage, do it there or do it outside. It does tend to get a little messy and everywhere, but the end result is beautiful, as you can see here. Okay, so next we're going to be using the lid of an ice cream bucket for the face of our scale. The face of your scale you can actually print off the internet and it comes sized perfectly, so you don't have to resize anything, and it fits perfectly onto the ice cream lid. I'm using some Mod Podge here to lay my image down onto it and to secure it. I will also go over the image with some Mod Podge just for some more protection. Okay, once your Mod Podge has dried a little bit, you're gonna take the glue gun and you're just gonna go along the edges of the ice cream lid with your glue gun, and then you just glue it right onto the dessert plate that's sitting at the front of what would be your scale. Okay, so for the final step here, I'm using some black acrylic paint and a paint dabber. You don't want to fill the paint dabber with a lot of paint. Take all the excess off of it as much as you can, because you want to give it that antique look. So you're just kind of dry washing all the edges and the whole scale, really, to give it that old farmhouse used look. And this is the end result. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a comment below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. We'll see you all next time.